Mr. President Bongbong Marcos, ibalik mo soon si Tatay Digong sa Philippines. Soon. Bring him home back to Philippines. Si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, please. Mr. President Bongbong Marcos, tulungan mo, help kay Tatay Digong. Ibalik mo si Tatay Digong sa Philippines. Bring him home back soon. Si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, please. Kasi kawawa naman si Tatay Digong. Kawawa si Tatay Digong, nakakulong sa ICC, International Criminal Court sa Holland, Netherlands. Please, ibalik mo si Tatay Digong soon sa Philippines. Bring him home back soon. Si Tatay Digong to Philippines. Maawa ka kay Tatay Digong kasi kawawa naman si Mr. former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa kulungan sa ICC, International Criminal Court sa Holland, Netherlands. Please, ibalik mo si Tatay Digong soon sa Philippines, Mr. President Bongbong Marcos. Thank you very much. God bless you. And all the best. Mabuhay. Take care always. God bless. Thank you. Bye.